Hi, folks. I'm Tarun Lala. I'm the co founder and executive director at Fanzart. We are the largest luxury designer fan brand in India. I presented a few slides as a part of my BNI. If you're aware of BNI or a part of one, you would know this as the 8-minute feature presentation. I figured I wanted to share it with the rest of the world as well. Um, Back in 2011, this was our problem statement, right? Fans were bland and boring. And while everything else in the market was evolving, the fans were not. They were still the same. This is our solution. With the goal of adding art to your ceiling, Fanzart was born to evolve the ceiling fan aesthetically as well as functionally. Fanzart fans are aesthetically appealing, functionally superior, and of the finest quality and craftsmanship. Not only do our fans serve the purpose of breeze and air circulation, but also accentuate the home interior design by adding elements of grace, elegance, and grandeur. We have 110 designer fan models to suit every type of home interior: vintage, classical, contemporary, modern, simply modern, modern rustic, Scandinavian, bohemian, tropical, refined industrial, and more. They function to give you a luxurious breeze experience, all while being eco friendly and completely whisper quiet. We also introduced the concept of chandelier fans, what we like to call fandeliers. They come with beautiful crystals, LED light features, smart features, and exude regality. Now, let's look at some specific use cases. A dining table is a very, very popular use case because you give it one electrical point on top of it, and you usually desire a chandelier or a nice light fixture to it. But often you miss out on the functionality of a relieving and refreshing breeze. We have fans that come with hidden vortex plates, retractable plates, collapsible plates, and more, and suit the dining table very, very well. We also have something called the summer winter feature. Sometimes, if it's cold outside or you're not feeling well, and I swear to God, this is a use case between husband and wife, one wants the fan and one doesn't. Fans Out Fans offer you the option of going anti clockwise to give you a cool breeze, which we think usually is used in the summer, or clockwise to behave like an exhaust and give you air circulation without giving you the breeze. Um, we call this the summer winter feature. Have you ever toggled your fan between higher and lower speeds to find that sweet spot for you to sleep under? Fansart's new sleep feature will alternate between higher and lower speeds, giving you or letting you sleep like a baby. We have some amazing clientele. We have some, including some celebrities and business tycoons. We were fortunate to finish 2019 with about 12 awards. And this is usually we deal with the high net worths or the upper premium market. We work with architects, interior designers, and electrical contracts. We do something in the hospitality industry as well. We do work with developers and builders. And we work with trusted franchise partners as well, both domestically as well as internationally. We have about 72 experience centers, which are offline channel partners online. Offline. We have franchise partners, which are offline showrooms. We do some work online as well. We have on Amazon, as well as our own website, which we should start transacting on soon. Um, we do have some lovely solutions for office and hospitality as well. We have a concealed recessed fan, which is 2 by 2, unlike the picture that shows over here, that goes very nicely into your grid or tile ceiling, as well as POP gypsum board, and are great for corporate offices, back offices, kitchens, bathrooms, and so on. And we also have the most premium mist fan in the market. that is great for restaurants, hotels, hospitality, rooftops, manufacturing units, stadiums, derbies, and more. Uh, about the mist fan, it serves about 1,000 square feet and reduces the ambient temperature by 8 degrees. And the Invento, the concealed fan that saves your air conditioning bills by 50%. So they're both excellent business decisions to make as well. Folks, Fanzart, we are your fan forever. I think my last thought I just want to leave with you is that while I mentioned my problem statement was back in 2011, we do have two kinds of competition, right? One is the homegrown brands, the fans that have the fan brands that have been doing conventional fans for years now. They have introduced some designer fan models. However, I don't think the quality of their fans are the same. They do channel their fans to the market through the electrical stores and the distributors and so on and so forth. And we do it through nice luxurious showrooms. Um, the other type of competition are the new age fan aggregators. They may have showrooms as well, but they aggregate other product brands. More so than often, a lot of these product brands are from some other country, and so when they import them here, they usually don't integrate to the Indian ceilings with the same sort of hook and push method that we use over here. Usually, they have to break into your fall ceiling. You have to put a box, a clamp, a break wire. There are other things that that don't go directly with the hook and the push. And so, what usually happens is you put your fan rods, you close your fall ceiling, you paint everything, and then you put the fan. And to find out that something is a pain to break into your fall ceiling and to repaint and so on and so forth, it's actually quite challenging. Being an aggregator or a store brand also doesn't give you full quality on, I mean, full control on the product quality as well as the product know how. We are a product brand. What that means is we get involved from the design phase to the engineering, integration, manufacturing that we do contract manufacturing with about 9 different OEMs. And then we take it into our own testing centers and we have our inspection teams and so on and so forth. And by the time we import it as a finished good, we've had complete control over that product. We're also all over the country. And so, the sort of volumes we deal with, the sort of product know how we have, the sort of support we offer is, I think, unparalleled. And so, whether it's the, homegrown brands or the newer guys, I think we have a clear cut, advantage. I think the whisper quiet as well is huge. I think in limiting the 8 minutes, I was not able to touch upon the functionality as well. I think our products are functionally superior. We've been able to tweak the CFM of the fan, which is a unit of air displacement and breeze, not just to the RPM, but also to the blade size and what's called the effective blade pitch, which is the angle of the blade. Um, Through that, we've been able to give the fan a lot more breeze, a lot more luxurious breeze experience. They're not just as fast, but they're a lot more breezier because of the blade angle as well. And we've been able to achieve complete whisper quiet in the process. We now have home automation. We offer the fan as a hub, which is a patented technology. Anyway, I can talk more on the functionality of the fan in another presentation. We'll work on that and get back with the video soon. Until then, stay tuned. Check out www.fanzartfans.com for more information. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn or follow us on Instagram. We do have an all India number 9066099000. That's 9066099000. But we are your luxury designer fan brand, or as we mentioned, your fan forever. Thank you for watching, folks. Thank you for your time.